Hi, I'm Aaron from Dual Irrigation. Today we're showing you how to install the nozzles and do the adjustment on the Hunter PGP Ultra gear driven sprinkler. The Hunter PGP Ultra is the perfect gear driven sprinkler for your large lawn areas. It's got a range between 4.9 metres and 14 metres in radius, and is adjustable from 40 degree right around to 360 degree. The tools that we're using today are the Hunter key and the Hunter insertion collar, which assists with installation of the nozzle. The PGP Ultra comes with a nozzle rack with your blue standard trajectory and your grey low angle trajectory. With your purchase of a Hunter PGP sprinkler, you'll need to purchase a Hunter key as well. Well, the Hunter PGP Ultra does have 3 points on top. Your nozzle adjustment screw, generally called the grub screw, your lifting socket, and your adjustment socket. The Hunter PGP Ultra does have a female BSP thread inlet, so you can attach your swing arm to your pipework for great adjustability. It's quite easy to install the nozzle into a Hunter PGP Ultra sprinkler. Simply with your Hunter key, place that into the lifting socket, turn 90 degrees, now you're able to pull the pop-up shaft out of the body. Now to help hold that pop-up shaft out of the body, we do have an insertion collar. Now it's quite easy to slip it onto your finger, so you can pull up and clip it around. We'll need to put in a nozzle. We've chosen the number 2 nozzle today. It will go in on a slight angle, which you're able quite easily push in by hand. Now to hold the nozzle in place, we need to use the Allen key end and screw down the grub screw, holding it in place. Now simply pull the collar out. Now we're ready for install. Here we have an installed Hunter PGP Ultra sprinkler, which we're going to show you how to adjust. Now, box they are set at 180 degrees, which are adjustable from 50 degrees to right around to 360. So to adjust your sprinkler's always got to be set to the right hand side. So the right hand point's always your fixed point. You're always opening or closing your left hand arc. So with your Hunter key, we put it into the insertion, into the adjustment socket. Obviously we've got to turn it to get the key into its location. Now if you want to open up the arc, we turn the key clockwise. That'll open up the arc. If you need to reduce it, we turn it anti-clockwise. We can also adjust the radius it's going to be spraying by using the Allen key end of the tool and putting that into the grub screw, turning it clockwise, force the grub screw to hit the nozzle. It'll fan out, but it will reduce its radius as well. That's our FlowPro tip for the day. For more information, subscribe or head to our website dualirrigation.com.au. Thanks for watching.